As we step into 2024, it's the perfect time to talk about your goals for the year, specifically tailored to our field. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, the goals set out in this video are sure to set the tone for a successful year ahead. But before we start, we're inching closer to the 20,000 subscriber mark, and if you found any of our useful content in any way, we'd really appreciate you as a subscriber. By clicking the subscribe button today, you help us continue to provide useful content each and every week. Okay, let's dive into it. Goal 1. Expand your professional network. The value of a strong network cannot be overstated. This year, make it a point to connect with other professionals, join professional bodies, attend industry events, or participate in online forums. An easy first step here is by creating a LinkedIn account and following like-minded businesses and individuals. Networking opens doors to new opportunities and insights. Goal 2. Organize and plan your workday more efficiently. This year, we can focus on refining our processes. Whether it's adopting systematic approaches or setting up better quality control measures, small improvements can lead to significant advancements in your career. An easy first step here is by organizing your email system. If you have a systemized email box with organized folders, the day-to-day emails soon become a breeze. Goal 3. Starting or finishing your chartership journey. Gaining chartership is an excellent goal for any professional for a number of reasons. Achieving chartered status is a mark of professional excellence and recognition within our industry. Being chartered by internationally recognized institutions like RICS and CICES can open doors to global work opportunities, as their qualifications are highly regarded worldwide. But if you're not looking for international work opportunities, gaining chartership can help enhance you as a quantity surveyor. The chartership process involves continuous professional development, where you're expected to keep up to date with the latest industry knowledge and practices. Both RICS and CICES emphasize adherence to ethical standards, enhancing your professional integrity and reputation. An easy first step here is by visiting the RICS and CICES websites to find out the processes required. We've also made videos on both institutions. These can be found in the description below. Goal 4. Improve contractual and legal knowledge. Focus on enhancing your understanding of construction law and contract management. This can involve enrolling in specialized courses or workshops. Being well versed in these areas is crucial for effective project management and risk mitigation. An easy first step here is by tuning into our weekly videos. We provide new content every Wednesday and have done so for the last 3 years. Subscribing ensures you'll always have access to our content from your homepage. Goal 5 is seek new employment opportunities. You may be at the point in your career where you're looking for new employment opportunities. This may be due to a number of reasons. Some may include a new professional challenge, skill development, geographical relocation, or increased compensation. Whatever the reason, this year's focus could be on finding a job that suits your needs. An easy first step here is by updating your CV. Take time to create a compelling CV that is organized, information-packed, and aesthetically pleasing. If you're applying for a job that focuses on knowledge of JCT contracts, for example, tailor your CV to ensure it covers that job specification. If you're uploading your CV to websites such as Indeed or CV Library, make sure you cover all points of your professional experience. In order to support all of these goals, we created Metroun Learning, an all-encompassing quantity surveying education platform complete with an AI model bespoke for contract administration and construction-related queries, the QS Dictionary, construction converters, industry-ready templates, and over 30 hours of education that is classed as formal CPD. And there you have it. 5 goals that will not only advance your career in quantity surveying, but also contribute positively to our industry. Which one will you be taking on this year? Let us know in the comments below. Metroun, a commercial hub to your business.